There was a time back, I'll say maybe 10 years ago or so, when there was a great promise that we'd all have 3D printers in our homes making stuff for us. Wouldn't have to go to the store anymore. It never happened. And why didn't it happen? Because how many people say to themselves, sitting at home, I think I need a 3D printing of something. Okay. I need a hammer. But instead of going to the store, driving to the store, buying a hammer and bringing it back, I'll have my 3D printer make me a hammer while I sit here and have a cup of coffee. Well, how is your 3D printer going to make a hammer? Is there a microphone you speak into and say, please make me a hammer? No, you have to have some kind of program that's going to make a hammer. That means you got to go buy a program to make a hammer. Well, I don't think 3D printers ever got around to making programs to print a hammer. And if they did print a hammer, it would do plastic. Oh, but I need really a tough plastic to make a hammer. Well, how do you dial in tough plastic versus soft plastic? Or regular plastic versus heat resistant plastic, such as you want to make a spatula? Where are the dials on this machine for doing it? 3D printing never caught on at home, or unless you wanted to maybe make a gun. Maybe there's a printer and a program where you can make your own handguns at home. But nobody ever said to themselves, boy, I need a 3D printer right now. And this is what happened to the great promise of we would all have 3D printers in our homes by now.